Here in this video, we will show you how to secure your WordPress website by hiding every information from outside. If you would like to secure your WordPress website just by using a single plugin, then first of all let us understand that this is our WordPress website and now we need to avoid this type of view from outside. Basically, if there is no index.php or index.html file, this type of view is often seen from outside. This is vulnerable and insecure from security point of view. So in order to hide this, first of all, log into your WordPress WP admin dashboard and then go to plugins, add new. Now from here you need to add a new plugin. Search for a new plugin, that is SAR One Click Security. Now click over Install Now and then activate this plugin. Now at the bottom of the screen you will find this plugin. If you want to deactivate it, simply click over Deactivate. As soon as you activate this plugin, one-click security will be applied to your WordPress website. This will also apply index of method to disable preview of the files. So if you open this WP includes folder directly from URL of the address bar, you will not be able to see anything over there. Also, it applies some extra layer of security which are also important for your WordPress website. Please subscribe to our channel if you have still not subscribed. If you would like to host your WordPress website with a secured environment and reliable hosting provider, then redserverhost.com is the best option for you.